I am Kanika and I'll give you some content about anti-cyberbullying laws. So what are these? Coming to an intro. We know that technology is a double-edged sword, where the users are continuously balancing the risk and opportunity which it offers. There is no longer just a cliche. We are connected 24/7, no matter where in the world. We are merely one click away from families, workers, classmates, idols, mentors, neighbors, and even strangers. We know this line. On one side of the internet has a main world, a smaller place, full opportunities to thrive for people with minimum resources, along with bringing awareness to important social political movements and acting as a platform and a fundraising for many noble causes. On the other side, it has exposed a vulnerable people to deep dark world of web and bullying while sitting safely in vicinity of their homes. Many children are the targets of bullying via internet or mobile phone, resulting in total confusion on the part of target. Very often, children are not able to understand what they are going through, which is form of bullying. Going a little off the topic, we recently know that some things have came to our messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So we see the things are getting little weird for us to read. Why is it so? Because that is a type of bullying we understood there. But some children are not mature enough, so they understand what are bullying. There are many sites on the which bullying has been done majorly. Now, as a result, the previously safe environment of the internet is not becoming a source of confusion and anxiety. But what is the cyberbullying and how it is different from regular bullying? Today's generation is using the internet more than ever. We know that. The internet and mobile phones are the positive aspects of our society. The mobile phones and the internet are the biggest system of communication, which play an important role in our daily lives, development of individual human identities. On the other hand, the same technologies are being targeted no matter where and on the internet. Many children becoming a target. We regularly say target. What does it mean? Target is the one person, the single person, the individual person. Generally, children fail to understand what they are going through and suffering from bullying. So, bullying, no matter which type, it is just people let down. It can be at any place, time, anywhere, school, college, work, home, over the internet, online, offline, everywhere. But there is a slight difference in bullying that happens in front of you, and that is a virtual world. Over the internet, you have limited control and no place to escape. You have no option, or you have to face the bullying. Cyberbullying happens for reasons. What are those reasons? Hatred, jealousy, insecurity, or any other reason. It takes place on a platform in a various like text, email, in different ways. In the commenting on someone's post, viewing social media in a negative way, threatening manner and hurts the sentiments of the individual person. But about whom they are written. It can also happen in somebody's demeans or rights or post or something mean audio video post. Such matter are posted online through the subject of matter of cyberbullying. There are many platforms. I told you which platforms are there. Okay. These cyberbullying usually start at the age of adolescence when the child becomes an influence to the internet. So, if the child fails to understand what should be said, in which manner should be conveyed, people conclude it with the right of speech and expression under the fundamental right given in the Constitution. It is correct to say that everyone has a right to speak, but there is a limit to an extent. Okay, so when the use of fundamental right is limited to the extent, you do know that the harm of dignity of any other person is known and unknown to you. You don't know. You said something to the people and they take offended, or they said that something is not you are used to. So, although defend cyber freedom is right to speech and expression should be provided widely, but it cannot be denied that ensuring absolute freedom will amount to spread of cyberbullying, offensive statements, as well as this hate of speech resulting in bodily injury to any individual. Okay, so we know that wherever the cyberbullying takes place, it results in a bad manner. So, what are different methods people try to bully other people? Flaming. When a person uses inappropriate vulgar words to hurt someone by either sending messages or posting material targeting to them. This is trolling. Inflaming the messages are sent directly to the person. Second, harassing. How the harassment make the person. It sends the inappropriate words and hateful, harmful message online someone. This repeatedly harm to sentiments the other person. Outing. When someone makes a secret sensitive information about someone in public and making permission without taking permission, it harms the reputation of the person. These messages can be pictures, photos, and a victim as a harm to reputation at a public large scale. Exclusion. What is exclusion? This happens within a person with someone interaction publicly excluded a person from a group or a party, and then we see that a person is a group, a party has been abandoned. So how? It also started with used to online target a victim and do not include the person on online groups which are made for other people. Impersonally, when you act like someone to damage the reputation or real or fabricated about anyone. So but it also coined as masquerading. It means the person bullying and make a fake profile for the sole purpose for bullying. What is stalking? Stalking can be done on online platform as well as sending messages to the bullied person to secure harm. Threatening the person, it includes monitoring threats and offer followed by offline stalking also. It can be a criminal offense and person can be in jail time with a restraining order. Trickery. It is an outing or a surplus of deception. Here the person primarily gains the confidence of the person he wants to bully, and he or she targets the sensitive information and secrets with you, and with the bad intention uses the confidence abused, so the collected person had started to trigger. Dissing. When people spread the cruel information about someone they are targeting, the public close private messages, either harmful reputation to the relationship with other people. In such situation, the person is targeting the person to known as some relationship with the target. Trolling. This is the last reason and the method of bullying which is done by the bullies. When person posts something demeaning to the one person so that they are targeting intended to harm the reputation of that person and targeted. Trolling may not be always cyberbullying, but it is also a method of cyberbullying. When the person is commenting the content that contains a hated and harmful reputed words, such people are really known as or unknowns the person are targeting. What are some laws made for the cyberbullying around India? Like Indian law cyberbullying. So, what are they? Here it comes. There is an interesting debate going on with respect to other parents are held liable for the children issues or not. Communication is an important way to consider the laws. So, in United States of America, the law state that state level or different level or federal level. California, Florida, and Missouri has the cyberbullying laws and different from this law. Like California has the punishment of $1,000 for a jail up to 1 year if someone found bullying. Then Florida has a different, the provision of statute failed to provide a detention for bullying. It can be a punishment for the school and taken to the crime and always respects to the school. And coming to more laws, there are like many more United Kingdom, Missouri, and more Singapore and all. So I was talking about India. Indian laws are unlike the United Kingdom. There is a law nowhere defining cyberbullying laws. Like Indian Penal Code and IT Act, it is given in 2000. First, any person send by means of computer resource or communication device. First, information grossly offensive in a meaning character. Information must be in false statement, maybe sent in by the electronic mail or electronic message, causing annoying inconvenience. So for this purposes of action, electronic mail, electronic messages or information created to transparent received in a computer system, communication device can be attachments of image, audio, video, or electronic record transparent by the message. So these are some enactments and law section in IT Act and the IPC. So there are two essentials. Importantly states that the cyberbullying has been intention and the insult must be caused to the human woman by the reason of mentioned in the provision or men. So these are some laws. Thank you so much. I gave you little vast view of cyberbullying. I hope you got something from this video. Thank you again.